It's all right. Time has to come in. So in addition to having in my equation x and y, I need a t. So all our equations today, or most of them, they'll all contain a t. A lot of them will be t equals. And what we're going to do is convert two equations with a t into x and y equations. All right. As you can tell, there's a whole lot more to these. Because all those people that want to program video games have to use parametric equations. How cool is that? That you kind of get to see what they use. I mean, does it make a difference what time they get there? Sure it does. Otherwise, if you don't know how long it's taken them to get there, you're going to not ever hit anything, aren't you? All right. So, like I said, we're going to be given two equations. We're going to convert it or write an equation in what they call rectangular coordinates in terms of x and y. My first equation, of course, the first example, they didn't do what I said. This is the first one. Then y equals t squared plus t. All right, what I want to do is convert this to one equation. So I'm going to have to pick one of my equations to solve for t or solve for something that I can substitute in.
So can you use elimination also? Or?
You could if you could eliminate it all. In this case, I can't. Could I solve this equation for t? What is t equal to? And then over here I have y equals x minus 2 squared plus x minus 2. Does that make sense to you? So what does y equal? What is this? Plus 4 plus x minus 2. You all remember the shortcut formula in that, don't you? So what is y equal to? And that's my answer. That is the answer. Huh? That said, write an equation in rectangular coordinates. All right, can I go a little bit harder? Because I've got news for you. Some of them are going to go a lot harder. No? Why not? Got to stretch your brain a little bit. I can't add them together because I have absolute value and eliminate a letter. But could I solve one of them for t? Which one? The second one? And so what is t equal to?
Y minus 1.
So can I now go to x equals the absolute value of y minus 1 plus 3? Chandler, was that you? Can you turn it off or something? All right. So what is x equal to?
Y plus 2.
is in terms of x and y? That's all my goal is. Right?
Are we gonna have to go the opposite way? Like, convert it from that to something?
We are not. Can I go, are we okay?
Yeah.
Can I go a little bit harder? Or maybe,
So,
A lot harder screens.
oh, don't you have to, you would change it into,
You got
T.
no, I don't have to solve this for t, because do they both contain e to the t?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So could I say x equals e to the t to the negative 1 power? Is that okay? Yeah, I'm not finished. Are you okay with that? So, in place of e to the t, what can I put? So, x equals y to the negative 1. So what does x equal? 1 over y? That's the answer. Now, let me say to you, this, I could also have said this. Do you know that these two are the same?
Yeah.
Good with that? You sure? All right. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Is that the hardest one?
No. I told you I'd always be honest with you, didn't I? There are several ways that I can do this problem. Anybody want to suggest one?
Pull up the
Well,
16 and negative.
Can we square the left one?
Can I square the left one? Yeah. Do you like that? Do you like that if I do that?
Sure.
So I have x squared equals t. Right?
Square root of x squared minus 16. Wouldn't that?
I can't square root it.
Well, we should get the square root of 16 minus x squared, and then you're good. But that's
Here, this is what you're telling me.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you get a 4
Oh,
minus x.
yeah.
You cannot get a 4 minus x.
You're like going more into it. Can't do that.
That's why
You can't do
I'm
that.
asking the question.
No.
Can you square it?
Is that the final answer?
Can I square it?
You're asking. Yeah.
Hey, you get y squared equals 16 minus
What
x
I'm
squared.
asking is the radical 16 minus x squared down. That is what I'm asking.
You cannot.
I'm not using the word.
You cannot.
So exactly.
This could be the answer, or this can be the answer.
Why couldn't you break it down?
Because you cannot split this. if I have this, and if I have this as example, let's do it this way. This makes more sense to me, or maybe to you. Let's do it this way. Minus 3 squared, because we have an x. Okay? Is this 16 minus 9?
Yeah.
And what you said was take the square root of both of them would be 4 minus 3, right?
Oh, they don't equal this.
But what is this?
Well, that wasn't really.
Yeah.
So in addition and subtraction, you cannot take pieces out of the radical. Only multiplication and division.
I wasn't.
Okay?
But I wasn't breaking it into. I was trying to factor it.
Yes, but it won't factor. So, just out of curiosity, could I write it like this? If I were to graph this, what would it be? A circle. Good job. Good job. So whatever my game piece was doing was going in a circle. I was trying to find out how fast it was doing. Make sense? All right. I might as well do one hard one, don't you think? Sure? Is that all right?
Triangles.
Here we go.
I thought you
Oh,
wrote
wait.
x equals cos. I was like, what's cos?
Yeah, I go cos. I was like, oh no, it's a cosine. I don't remember these.
Well,
Cosine
what?
is adjacent over hypotenuse.
Isn't it like sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1? Right?
Oh my gosh. My next question was going to be,
Whoa.
is there an identity using sine squared and cosine squared? Good job, Sammy.
Can I have 100 points bonus, please?
So,
I still have my finger.
we know there's an identity that is sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, don't we?
Yes.
So, I have a sine squared. How could I get a cosine squared? Square both sides? Would you agree?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You okay with that? Now, this is cosine, this is sine. Can I change that to sine? How?
It's sine
Sine squared minus
minus
1.
How about 1 minus sine squared?
Oh, yeah.
You had it in your head, didn't you?
Yes, I did. And I was like, but surely that's not right. Don't look for that.
So now, is sine squared t equal to 1 minus x squared? So what's y equal to? 1 minus x squared minus 4. What is y equal to?
Which could be a y.
What would it be if I graphed? Anybody know?
A parabola.
A parabola.
I'm just trying to make sure that's the right word.
Yes.
It could be a line.
No.
Who is square?
A line doesn't have x squared.
Like y equals mx plus b. That's a line. And I was like, oh, it's x.
Are we good with this? That's the hardest.